Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization, and I'm going to show you how to install a super cool Naruto Sharingan boot animation on any rooted Android phone. This is a great way to personalize your device and show off your love for the series. Before we get started, let's make sure you have everything you need. This process requires a few things. First and foremost, your Android phone needs to be rooted. You'll need the actual boot animation zip file. I've provided a direct download link in the video description, so go ahead and grab that now. Alright, now that you've got everything downloaded and ready, let's get into the installation process. It's actually quite simple. First, open up the Magisk Manager app on your phone. Once you're in Magisk Manager, navigate to the Modules section. In the Modules section, you'll see an Install button. Tap on that. This will open your phone's file explorer. Now, locate the boot animation zip file that you downloaded earlier. Select the file, and Magisk will begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a prompt to reboot your device. Go ahead and tap the Reboot button. A few important things to keep in mind. This boot animation should be compatible with most rooted Android phones, but there might be some exceptions depending on your device and Android version. If you run into any problems during the installation process, or if the boot animation doesn't appear correctly, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful and you're enjoying your new Sharingan boot animation, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to see more Android customization tips, tricks, and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.